Hi, I'm Dom. I'm a guitar teacher in Vancouver, BC, and today I'm going to show you how you can find the key of any song on the guitar. Today we're going to be using Pink Pony Club by Chappell Roan as an example. So we only need one string. I'm going to use the B string, and we need one octave of notes. So I'm going to start on the first fret, which is C3, and we're going to go all the way up to C4, which is at the 13th fret of the B string. So every major and minor key has 7 notes in it. An octave has 12 notes. So we're starting with 12 and we're going to slowly boil it down by using our ears down to the 7 notes of a key. So I'm going to hit play on the song and I'm going to play every note one at a time. And each note I'm going to say out loud and what it is, and I'm going to say if it's yes, no, or maybe. And at the beginning there might be a lot of maybes. That's okay. It takes time to get better at learning things by ear. So don't expect it to just be immediate. It's going to take a little bit of time, most likely. Okay, here we go. I'm going to start the song and we're going to start the exercise. I'm going to say no on C, yes on C sharp or D flat, no on D, yes on D sharp or E flat. Let's try E. No. Let's try F. I'm not really sure on F, so that would be a maybe. F sharp or G flat? That sounds pretty good to me. But G is a hard no. What about G sharp or A flat? I'd say that's a yes, maybe a maybe, but mostly a yes. A, no. What about A sharp or B flat? That sounds good. Let's try B. I think that's a yes as well. Alright, so let's summarize. I'm going to say that this is a flat key. That's my preference. We can say it's a sharp key as well, but I'm going to do this as if it's a flat key. So we have C sounded good, D flat sounded good, E flat sounded good, F sounded good, G flat sounded good, A flat sounded good, B flat sounded good, and B sounded good, kind of funky. And then we go back to because C didn't sound good, but C sharp or D flat did sound good. So we have 5 flats and we also have B natural. So with the rule of flats, this wouldn't actually be a B natural. We would call it a C flat. So we've got 6 flats in our key. So that puts us in the key of G flat major. And let's see if we're right. So here comes the chorus. I'm going to try a G flat beat 1. Yeah, that sounds right. And then it's A flat minor. So that's the chord progression. A flat minor, E flat minor, B major or C flat major, whichever one you want to go for. So on my Instagram, I have linked a Google Drive that has a lot of my favorite free resources for guitar players, some that I've made that I just think that everyone should have, like fretboard diagrams and a circle of fifths that is a little bit less confusing than most circle of fifths. If you're new to music and you don't understand the circle of fifths, you can still use this diagram. So yeah, Pink Pony Club is in G flat major. It's a 1, 2, 6, 4 progression, which means it's the 1 is the first chord, which is G flat, then A flat minor is the second chord, the 6th chord is an E flat minor, and the 4 is the C flat or B major. So no matter what key you put it in, it's still going to be 1, 2, 6, 4. And yeah, I'll probably do more of these, but let me know if this helped you to figure out what keys are. Bye.